How to fix system UI isn't responding. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at how you can easily fix system UI isn't responding. So the very first thing you want to do is try to restart your device by pressing over to your power button. And if you're able to tap on your screen, you can just tap on the restart. If not, you can hold your power button and your volume down button for around 5 to 7 seconds and it's going to restart automatically. And once the restart is done, you want to head over to settings menu and then scroll down until you find apps. Now once you go to app settings, tap on this filter icon and then make sure you turn on show system apps. Tap on OK. Now once that is done, you can just go over to the search bar and then simply search for system UI. Once you find it, tap on it and then you want to go over to its storage. From storage, try to clear cache, and if you're able to, clear data as well. Then go over to permission. Make sure all of these permissions are allowed. As you can see here, no permission is denied. And finally, what you can do is try to boot your device into safe mode to identify and removing any third-party conflicting apps. And if all of these steps fail, you might want to update your phone's software. So what you can do is scroll down and go over to software update, check for any updates that are available, and then you can just click on download and install. That will definitely fix your problem. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.